How to make money on Upwork as a LinkedIn profile optimizer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the get started button. To proceed to creating our account, so here make sure to join as a freelancer, then click on apply as a freelancer, and here enter the usual information, first name, last name, and so on. Then click on create my account. For me, I'm going just to log in. I've already created my account, so give me a second to log in to my account, and then we will proceed to creating the profile, because the profile is a very important step in this video. So here we have the last step of creating the profile. As you can see, 10 out of 10. So let's go back to start from the first steps. And here, let's get started. Click on the get started. And here you have to go through these questions. Have you freelanced before? Choose the question that fits you. Choose the answer that fits your situation. Same thing with the other question as well. Choose the answer that fits your situation. And here with this option, make sure to choose them all, even the third one. As you can see, I'm open to contract to hire opportunities. They will help us all. Then click on next to create a profile. So here you have three options to create your profile. You can either import your profile from LinkedIn, or you can upload your resume if you have it in a PDF file in your desktop, or you can fill it out manually. It will take less than 15 minutes. So let's go with filling it out manually. Start a new profile, and here you enter your skill, which is LinkedIn profile optimizer. Then click on next to add your experience. You can just click on the plus button and you'll be able to add the previous work experience. Then same thing with education as well. You can add your education history in here. And then you proceed to add in the languages that you can speak and write. So English is a must. You cannot work in this platform without English. And here you choose your level in that language. For me, and my level in English is conversational. Then click on add a language. To add other languages, for me, I will add two more languages. My native language, which is Arabic, and the language I studied in school, which is French. And here choose your level, native as I said before, and in French it's still basic. Then click on next to add your skills. So here you already have some suggested skills based on our previous answer: LinkedIn profile, LinkedIn whale, and the maximum is 15 skills. There is enough room for a lot of skills. Then you proceed to writing an overview or a bio. As you can see here, write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. And this is an example of a bio. I'm a developer experienced in building, a small talk, and some bullet points. So guys, in order to enter a good bio for your profile, just go to ChatGPT and enter I'm a LinkedIn profile optimizer. Give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and you'll get a very good bio for your profile. You'll just need to review the bio and verify it. Check if there is any mistakes or any wrong information, and make sure to make adjustments to it, and then copy and paste it in here. For me, I don't have time to go to ChatGPT. I don't want to make the video too long for you guys. So I'm just going to take Marty's bio and paste it in here. Then click on next to choose your categories. And here, what are the main services you offer? You can go with digital marketing, or we can choose another service in here. We have accounting and consulting, admin support, customer service, data analysis, analytics, design, creative, performing arts, engineering, architecture, IT, database, DevOps, legal, sales, marketing, and translation. Let's see what we have in writing. Let's go with professional business writing or editing and proofreading services. That's our service. Then click on next to set your rate or your hourly price. So here let's go with $20 per hour. Then click on next to add your photo and location. So here you can choose your date of birth, country, and fill the other information. And for the photo, make sure to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So keep that in mind, guys. Then, after you're done with creating your profile, this is how you're going to improve it. I'm going just to log out to show you how you can improve your profile. So here you go to the search box and you'll enter your skill. So basically the idea is that we're going to spy on the highest earners in our category, in our skill category. So just enter your skill and search for the highest earner between your competitors and spy on his profile, see what is he talking about in his bio, how much is he getting paid, what is he doing differently than us, and make sure to recognize the things that are working for him and imply them in your profile. So here let's see if we can find the highest earner. This one earned 3 grand. This one earned 40 grand. I think he's the highest earner in here. So this is our highest earner with 40 grand and he gets $10 per hour. So this is the one who we need to spy on. And then if you need to find work easily, just go to find work here, click on find work for your skills and enter your skill in the search box and you'll find a lot of listed jobs to apply for. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.